Welcome to the channel. If you'd like to withdraw funds from your Bet365 account to your bank account in the region of Canada, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is access our account. So log into your Bet365 account and navigate to the bank section in the main account menu. And this is your financial hub for literally all of your transactions. Click on the withdrawal button and choose between bank transfer or Interac e-transfer. These two are the most reliable options for Canadian users. Enter the amount that you would like to send or withdraw and then verify the details. So input your withdrawal amount. There is a minimum of $10 and then double check that you have registered your bank details ready and they are current and up to date and accurate. Then you're going to go and confirm the withdrawal by clicking withdraw and enter your Bet365 password when prompted for security verification. And then you have now successfully withdrawn money from your Bet365 account to your bank account in Canada.